Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So as you maybe if you watched my last video that I uploaded today, for you guys would be yesterday, I talked about doing a candle trick, and I have all the candles out today, so I'm going to be doing a candle trick today. I just practiced a little bit. As you can tell, some candles have wax coming down and all that, so I'm going to try my best. Okay, let's get started. So let's see if the camera can focus on the flame. Oh yeah. Okay. So I don't know how well this is going to go. It might be like on the wrong side. Oh no, some wax fell on the thing. Crap. Now we good. This one not light. Yo, that's hot. Okay, let's do this. It's very hard because the camera's low. So. Okay, wait. I'm gonna do this from another angle. I was recording this for about like a minute or two, and the camera decided to freeze and I lost the footage, so I have to redo it. Great, I hate it when it does that. Why? But yeah, I said in the last clip, don't do this alone unless you are good at this and you are an adult. But if not, have supervision. Anyways. Yo, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. Switching to more candles because the other ones are getting small and you can barely see with this one. So let's move that one. Two more. Okay. I blew them both out. Damn it. Anyway. Okay. Again, wax is hot, so be careful. So is the flame. It's hotter than the wax, but you know. One more time. This is entertaining, except it gets hot. Yeah. Smoke is nasty. Oh, hot wax. Hot wax. Hot wax. Didn't work. Oh, it did work. Hot wax. Don't worry, I'm not bleeding. And yes, it's not focused. So that was the flame relight trick thingy. So that's done. Now it's on to another trick. Light this baby up. Let's smoke up a little bit. Well, the candle shut off and it's not working. Okay, let's try that again. I got a better cup here. Boom. That didn't work. Oh, it does work. Guys, check this out. Slowly going up. Oh, it stopped. Down. Guys, you can see it's going up. It's still going. That's awesome. That is so cool. This cup definitely works better. Yeah. The candle got stuck in there. That's funny. Let's try again. It's too much fun. Ow. Up it goes. You guys can kind of see it rise. Cool stuff. That's gonna do it for that trick. That's all I could do for right now is those two little tricks. I would do more, but I don't have any other ideas, and plus my internet's being slow, so I'm unable to look up some tricks, and it's getting hot outside and the candles are like starting to shrink. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little trick, those two tiny tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, you guessed it, it is now outro time. Bye!